Hi everyone, it's Abby from Feather and Fossil Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create cover lighting using Foyr Neo. I'm going to take my design and show you two different ways to add cover lighting. The first way is to use period coving and additional strip lights. I'm going to go to the catalogue and select a corner moulding option. I'm then going to use the vertical flip to change the position and to align to the corner of my room. I'm using the blue highlight to show me when it is snapped to the outer walls. Then I'm going to use a straight moulding option from the catalogue and adjust accordingly. The blue highlight will show me when the two pieces of moulding are snapped together. I'm now going to swap to the 2D view and change to ceiling plan mode. This will make it easier to resize my moulding to fit the length of the walls. I will now use the clone tool to duplicate the corner coving and apply to the next corner of my room. Again, I'm using the flip functions on the right hand side to suit the area of the room. I can then repeat the straight and corner moulding around the entire space. I'm now going to add a warm strip light from the catalogue below the moulding. I'm using the right hand side panel to resize the light to make it discreet and the correct size for the length of the wall. I'm adjusting the light to ensure it fits neatly below the coving. Here is an example of how this will look in a render. The second option I'm going to show you is using a catalogue ceiling design with a warm light embedded. I'm going to add this to my design and again swap to the 2D ceiling plan mode. I'm going to adjust the piece using the resize function to ensure it fits the room neatly. I'm then going to add my wall colour texture to the ceiling. I'm now going to render this design by going to the top right corner. I'm going to adjust the internal and external lighting on the left hand side panel. I can change the intensity of the internal lights and also move the sun using the icon in the bottom right. Then in the middle bottom of the screen I will click Get Preview. Once I'm happy with the design, I will click the Render, again bottom middle of the screen. I'm using the 4K option to create the best quality renders, and here are the finished designs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.